Are you one of the many contractors providing plumbing services for building projects? If yes, then you must be aware how crucial the right quality plumbing and drainage system is for the successful completion of your project and long-term satisfaction of your customers. The biggest problem that many contractors face with their plumbing and drainage piping are inconsistent quality of product, requirement of highly skilled workforce for installation, failures after installation, lack of proper training and technical support, inadequate issue resolution from the manufacturer. And when all these problems occur time and again, it will not only increase your workload during installation as it requires constant close supervision, but will also lead to the need of more training for your employees, unwanted delays and higher overall cost of the project. Plus, even after taking utmost care while installing the piping systems, the poor quality products might ask for frequent rectification, which may cause customer dissatisfaction and adversely hit your reputation. But do not worry, because we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the best plumbing partner in India, Ajay Pipes, manufacturing the best and the highest quality drainage and plumbing products across the country. Our premium products are such that you will have a quick, easy and completely hassle-free installation experience without the need for any extra training or supervision. Add to it the zero failures and rectification issues coming up later, and you will have lower installation costs and 100% satisfied customers with every project. All Ajay Pipes drainage and plumbing systems come with a superior performance and higher value for money than any of our competitors, as we offer an additional range of benefits to all our clients, such as multiple purchase options, flexible payment terms, special schemes, full technical support, quick issue resolution, and high-quality training support at site. Our products will make your installation process easier and about 16% faster than any other brands out there. There is bound to be a 30% reduction in maintenance needs, 32% higher durability, and a 24% growth in performance of the drainage systems overall. The residents of the building also see 7% less breakages, 12.5% lower leakage cases, no bad odor, and absolutely no harmful effect on the health of their drinking water. They even said that our systems are about 29% easier to clean and declog than most. The best part is that you will find the complete range of plumbing and drainage pipes and fittings for all your customers' need in one single place, including new generation CPVC pipes and fittings for hot and cold water, UPVC pipes and fittings for cold water, SWR pipes and fittings for internal drainage, foam core pipes and fittings for underground drainage, and many other systems and accessories. In fact, in the last 56 years of being the oldest PVC pipe ISI license holder brand across India, we offer India's most certified 1750 plus products with 15 Indian and American certifications and approvals after having them successfully tested for 101 critical parameters. These products carry many unique features that give them enhanced durability, superior performance, and make them easier to install. With 5 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants located on 2 continents, 6 overseas offices and 9 warehouses across India, we are able to manufacture and export our products to over 32 countries globally, while our customer service team of 132 plus field employees spread across India enables us to respond to requests within 4 hours of generation. Together, our team has completed plumbing and drainage installations in 1400 plus residential projects, 110,000 plus individual houses, 142 plus hotels, 63 plus hospitals, 210 plus industrial locations, and has trained over 53,000 professional plumbers so far. These projects include some of the biggest names in the industry like Tata Housing, Taj, Hilton, Adani Group, DLF, and many more. Let us show you what our customers are saying about us. And now we invite you to get on board with the best plumbing and drainage brand in India. To know more about us, visit www.ajaypipes.com or get in touch with us today.